try to record this whole process here. My vocal chain is literally on this song. SSL. I use the Silky Lead Vocal preset. You could copy these here so you could kind of do your own take there. I did layer my voice to the left and right panel so it could be a little bit more full in the song. The next thing that I did was I used Nectar. I don't think I've updated it. I used the auto pitch correction, so A sharp minor. I put it at 50 strength. This is the format here at 10 low, so it's not really too robotic. And then, I did the EQs, or you could do voice assistant that can help you out, and it does a really good job. So AI, cut out a lot of the lows because I don't want any like rumbling or anything like that. Compressor, put it down all right here just because of the voice, and then how I stacked and layered the vocals. I kind of wanted that low tone. Gate, put at that minus dB there and in between here, so like if there's any dead noise or any other things in the background, it cuts it off. Again, I cut off a little bit of the high, put a little bit more air in this because I'm compressing it again, or EQing it again, and then compressing the highs with this de-esser. Then you got saturation, that's the amount, a little bit of reverb. There's that. I don't know if you saw the other things I was talking about. I'm sure you get the gist. And then after that, on the main vocal, I just put a little bit of delay. Not too crazy. I think I set it at 1/4, but turn it off for now. Was playing around with that. And then all the other vocals layered, it's the same thing. And then I route every single one of them. Or I routed these 3 vocals here to the CLA stereo. I think at this time I didn't have the warm audio compressor. But yeah, put it here at 40. I'm gonna be honest with you, I can't see that. I think it's 50. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know why I'm about to throw this mouse. But yeah, and then this is how it sounds. God damn it.
Okay. Loving the warmth of your body. Loving the way that your body. I love the way that you talk to me. Coming and join this weather. Come and walk with me. The language is smooth. I got the things that you want me to do. It's all for you. Baby, I'm telling you, it's all for you. Listen, baby, wherever we go, I have no shame. The love we gon' show. The type of stuff that makes you go, oh. There's nobody like us yet, I know. We gon' be rocking up. I'm telling you, it's all for you. Listen, baby, where